This is a brand new method. I have never ever demonstrated before on this channel, but it can actually make you money with the click of a button, as easy as that. The software will do all the hard task for you, sending emails and earning you cash, and more honorably, doing so in pure passive income. If you want to find out what I am speaking about, then make sure you stay, as I will clarify everything. And with that, let's get on with this video right away. The first website you will need to go to, and also the website that will be giving money us today, is this one here called WeFly.com. You might have listened about this website, but chances are the majority of you haven't, since it isn't that famous, and so let me magnify what this is first. WeFly is practically a place where you can get YouTube views, and I am not discussing about purchasing fake views, by the way. They get you genuine views. The way they do so is through the use of Google Ads. They will practically advertise your video of choice, and thus it will get more attention from people. With that brief description out of the way, let's make this show as well. You will not be making money through YouTube, so I am not going to tell you to record some video or whatever, then come over to WeFly and pay them to increase the number of views for that video. Nothing like that, as most of you recall I did say previously. This is actually the website that will be giving money, not the website we will be paying. Accordingly, I will not go over the details of this website. They are not applicable for us. You can take a look at what they offer yourselves. So without additional ado, here is the initial step you need to undertake once you appear onto WeFly. That will be to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website, and under the Explore region over here you now want to click on Affiliates. So yes, we will be promoting this website as an affiliate, and this platform, I would argue, is one of the best websites to promote as an affiliate with no capabilities or experience today, and here's why. For starters, not that many people know about WeFly. It has been explored by just 70,000 people in the past month. This is hugely significant, because if you are promoting some big famous website to people, chances are some of them have heard about it, meaning that you will not get any clicks on your affiliate link and you won't be able to make as much money. The second significant fact about WeFly is that it has healthy reviews on Trustpilot. Having good reviews is hugely effective, as it makes convincing people to try the website out much easier than otherwise will be the case. Generally speaking, getting someone to purchase what you are promoting is the hardest part, especially if they have to invest a bit more money. With nice reviews, however, people will be a bit more open to preparing a purchase. Whenever they do so, you of course get paid as a result. Lastly though, what's probably the decent aspect about this website is, who are the clients, which are of course people who want to start a YouTube channel, and there are dozens of millions of people who own a decently sized channel, as you can observe, with thousands per day starting out, and there will always be people like that. This means that your client pool is basically infinite, drastically boosting your probable profits, and more honorably, permitting you to get paid in passive earnings doing nothing thanks to the apparatuses we will combine this website with. Ahead we go on. Something I do have to indicate that is hugely important is that you won't earn huge money per individual you refer. This is because WeFly offers 15% commissions, which, let's face it, just isn't a lot. But this downside, in my judgment, is hardly a problem because of the major upsides containing the endless customer pool I spoke about a second before. Anyhow, once you get on this page and you browse more about WeFly's affiliate program and all the spotlights it will deliver you, you now want to sign up to the affiliate program. To do so, just click on Become an Affiliate here. On the next page they'll ask you to sign in, but as you don't have an account, ultimately click on Create an Account down here. From here you will then have the option of signing up with Google, which is much quicker and useful of course, or through your email, in which case you will need to enter in a bundle of your information, your entire name in these two boxes, email and password in these two boxes. Again, retype your password in the box below, tick this box and click on Sign Up to finish the process. Once you log into your brand new account, you will now be able to snatch your affiliate link here. And now every single time individual clicks onto your link, they will be redirected to WeFly. If they make a purchase, you will get paid. As easy as that. The only thing now missing is the original traffic. Even though I did say you have an endless customer pool, you need some way to gain people who do want to launch their own YouTube channel, and I have two directions for you to find them. The initial one is through the use of YouTube itself. And here's what you need to do. Type in something along the lines of how to get more views on YouTube, how to grow on YouTube, how to grow a YouTube channel. You don't have to type in these keywords in specific, just something similar. Either way, YouTube will now show you a ton of videos, of course, and the next step from here would be to find ones that are a little more recent, nothing older than 2 or 3 months. As such, you want now. Click on filters here and choose this month, or alternatively, you can just manually search for fresher videos. Either way, you now need to open up some of them and go over to the comments section. It's in the comments section on YouTube where you will be able to find the literal perfect customers. These people that have all left comments on this typical video, we know are all attracted in growing a YouTube channel, because apart from watching the video in question, they have entirely taken the duration to write something, and if you were to contact some of them, there is a tremendous chance they will at small be willing to take a look at what WeFly is all about. The two paths you can reach people is as follows: via email or by answering to the comment in question. The former option, I'd say, is a bit better, but it has a tremendous flaw in that not everyone has their email address visible. To find it, you want to open up a channel, go to the About section here and then scroll down, and if you don't see an email address, then it's not visible. If you do, then you can contact them, and what you would say, either in the email or the reply, is approximately the similar thing. Go over all of WeFly features, tell them that it is incredible for growing on YouTube and that it's 100% legit, which you can of course say thanks to the reviews. Almost type in something along those lines and answer back to all of these people here, and when one of them make a purchase, which is bound to happen after some time, you will earn around $10 or so, which is entirely exceptionally decent. Similarly, people that appear across your comment with your affiliate link shared might also check out WeFly, not just the person you are replying to. So this has tremendous capability to make you some big money online and in passive income too. Regardless, the big flaw with the prior procedure is that it does require some fairly difficult work. So what if you have a bit of money to spare and you don't want to do any work, but still make money? In that case, I would suggest giving this machine here a try, the link of which I left in the description below. As I illustrated prior, this is indeed a paid software, but due to the fact that it's so extraordinarily significant and can make you money, a lot of money actually, in pure passive income, makes it more than worth the cost. Similarly, I got you guys an incredible deal with this costing under $10 literally, so it's not even valuable to begin with. How this will get you traffic in the first place, though, you can figure out when you come onto the website. It will do so through the use of email tables. All you need to do is create a simple and nice email, and this tool will then send it to people who will be interested in WeFly and what you are promoting. And every single time one of them makes a purchase, and many of them will do, you will earn a lot of money. As easy as that. Of course, if you don't have the money right now, or you just don't want risk, don't worry, YouTube will be a fantastic traffic source nevertheless. If you want to explore some of my other videos on making money online. If you like this video of mine and you wanna see more, then please leave a like down below. It really helps. And if you haven't already, you want to hit on subscribe button and shift on the notifications, because you will get notified whenever a new video of mine has been uploaded. As always, thank you for attending and watch you all instantly in some of the impending tutorials.